Welcome. This vlog is about getting Justin to film with me.
Hi.
Hi.
Vlog.
This is our B-roll challenge vlog.
Yeah, and we're recording in paradise.
Paradise.
So, yeah, we're gonna be doing some B-roll, just showing different challenges, and it's gonna be quite fun.
Should be fun.
Let's get to it. Alright, so B-roll. What we're basically gonna be doing is shooting B-roll, I guess. It's a B-roll challenge, so we're gonna go ask some topics of
B-roll.
We're gonna ask people for some topics that we can do B-roll about, and
The vlog is off to a bit of a shaky start. Why are we slowing down?
I don't know.
Go!
Rai!
Batteries.
Oh no, the battery.
Ah,
That's
we have to
perfect
get
for
off.
the vlog.
Okay, get off.
Okay, we have to push now. Ah, jy dink het nog krag.
Ons stoot vir niks.
Ons hardloop.
Ek dink ons was net vet of iets. Ek sweet soveel. Sien jy nie ons ouma se huis nie? Nou waar is ons?
Waar is ons?
Ouma! Ek sien, ons het foto's van Cindy, maar niks van ons nie. Nou wat nou? Uit respek uit, omdat dit oupa was wat gepraat het, het ek nou nie geïnterrupt nie, maar as enigiemand anders was. Okay, maar nou dat ons hier so is, ons hak vas, ons kort B-roll topics, so, oupa, ons het een ding in daai oor, Porsche. Okay, ons gaan hom nie rondtrek nie. So guys, thank you so much. We have reached 118 subscribers, and
I don't know, we couldn't have done all this without you guys. I mean,
yeah,
really,
we bought, as you can see.
you see that?
You see that? Can you guys see that? You see what we bought? Come here, come. You see that? Absolutely nothing.
Nothing.
Subscribe!
Please subscribe. Nice.
Nee, ek wou net kom sê, minder ukulele meer kos. Kom nou.
Die naam van die video, maar as jy ook gaan ja.
Precies.
Okay, nou neem ek af.
Jy moet nie my afneem nie.
Ja, ouma, ek wil graag. Wat nou, ouma?
Ek vat daai kamera.
Ouma, jy gaan my eers moet vang. Jy moet wegkry agter oupa nie. Mense wil sien hoe lyk jy.
We interrupt this confusing vlog to confuse you a bit more.
And give you some information.
Yeah.
So basically, the clips that are following have no context whatsoever. Due to Justin having his birthday, and we had to, well, we didn't have to stop filming, we just kind of did.
We were lazy.
Justin was lazy. I was telling him, let's film, we have to film.
Yeah.
No, but he was like, no, I hate filming, I never want to film. And I was like, please.
So let's just let it slide. You know what? Let's
Just
ignore
let
the
it
fact
slide.
that
It didn't happen, okay. So, in the following clips,
we actually went and just helped my opa with
Opa.
his motorhome.
So just to explain a few out of context things that you might see, is number one, my grandma has a very irrational fear of swearing on camera, even though she's never used a swear word in her life. So I don't know how that works, but we were teasing her about it a lot, and obviously we're gonna have a little part in here where we make her swear.
So make sure to check
by
the
beeping.
blooper at the end.
And also we have a very heartbreaking story coming up about how my grandparents' dog has completely replaced us. So, yeah.
Jy moet betaal.
Betaal, okay. Opa, nie het tandenborstel vergeet nie.
Jas,
Yes.
kom bring jou tandeborsel. Yes, like, wat is dit?
Die skrik elke keer vir hulle.
Ons moet hierdie ding fix, oupa.
Wat is dit?
Hierdie ding, daai ding.
Hoeveel?
Is gefiks. Hoe klink hy? So moet wees.
Jy moet 'n bietjie inhou. Dan moet jy hom maak.
Wow. Okay.
Jess, gaan speel vir ons ietsie met klavier, jong.
Terug. Oupa, kan ek 'n bietjie gaan klavier speel nie?
Nee, as daar iemand wat speel.
Dame, dankie vir die lekker kuier. Dankie vir al die mielies.
Zo goed, precies. Meneer, kom maar
Al die mielies.
Weet jy nie wat dit beteken om in die son te kom 'n bietjie nie, hè? Bietjie bright, hè?
Basically, we just had to help my opa. He wanted to pimp his ride, his caravan. So we had to strip everything off so he can go and have it sprayed. There we go. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Is that copyright? So yeah, so we helped him out. Then we cried because obviously, Africa. What else would you do? You have to, right? We have been speaking about trying to get used to the fact that we have to have the camera holding or on hand at all times because you guys miss out on so much nonsense.
I mean, we had a whole birthday weekend
and we did nothing.
and we didn't film anything.
Well,
and
we did a lot.
We had so much fun. I
Yeah.
mean, we went to Mall of Africa. We could have done something there. We
I
didn't.
tried on a bikini, and things were weird, and we didn't film anything.
And yet, we still don't have the confidence to just pick up a camera like this in the mall.
Yeah.
I don't
But
know
you
if
know
I
what?
can do that.
We're just gonna do it, alright? We're just gonna do it from now on. If this video gets 1 like, then we'll do it.
Never.
If it gets 1 like,
No.
the next video will have something in the mall.
I'll say 12 it.
12. If
12.
it has, okay, fine. If it has 12, can you guys do 12? Man, 12 that's a
Then
lot.
we'll try and pick the camera up in the mall.
Then we will pick it up, and I'll go interview random people. Hoi Danny,
He said it, not
wat
me.
maak Danny vandag? Oh, 'n bietjie koffie. Ag lekker. Dan druk ek my vinger in en roer dit vir haar.
So if this video gets 30 likes, John will dip his finger in out on his coffee at the mall.
I will.
So, anyway. Dit gaan nie werk.
Okay. So thank you very much for watching the confusing vlog without any context. It was all Justin's fault, so still please leave a like. Thank you very much.
And remember, if the video gets 30 likes, Jordan's gonna dip his finger in some lady's coffee at a coffee shop in the mall, and we will be recording it.
We can't say 12 because we have to make you work for it. I'm not just gonna do that for free. I need 30. So please like and subscribe, but keep it at 29.
Yeah.
Keep it at 29. I don't fancy doing that. That's a horrible accent. I don't fancy doing that.
It's time to end this vlog.
Yeah, it's overdue.
Jordan needs some sleep. Dun.
Oh, shit too.
Sit toe.
Shame. Nou kan jy nie in my tuin krap nie.
Kom hulle.
Gebruik jou duim en maak jy oop. O, wag, jy kan nie.
Oh no.
Nee, wil nie jou
Ouma, jy kan nie so vloek nie. Ouma. Ons het klaar die editing gedoen, ouma. Jy is die ster van ons video. Nee, ek beloof. Ek weet. Pinky promise. Ouma, alles bietjie nat. Wag, maar daar's 'n kamera. Daar's 'n kamera. Do it again.